Want to set Google Photos as your default photo storage app on your iPhone? Although you can fully replace the default Photos app, you can easily use Google Photos to back up and manage your pictures. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up Google Photos on your device. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Download and set up Google Photos. Open the App Store, search for Google Photos, download and install the app. Open Google Photos and sign in with your Google account. Solution 2. Enable backup and sync. Open the Google Photos app. Make sure to log in with your Google account. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Google Photos settings. Tap on Backup. Toggle the backup option to on. Solution 3. Change default photo storage settings. Open Google Photos. Go to Settings by tapping on your profile picture. Select Free Up Space. This will help you delete photos already backed up to Google Photos from your iPhone's local storage. Note, while you can use Google Photos to store and manage your images, the iPhone will still use the default Photos app for viewing images unless you access Google Photos directly. By completing these steps, you can easily make Google Photos your main app for managing and backing up your pictures on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need more help, don't hesitate to reach out.